Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. So today I'm gonna show you my Wi-Fi enabled water level detector. So this includes Wi-Fi module, LCD, water sensor, Arduino, breadboard, and some jumper wires. So in the first three lines of code, we have the include Wi-Fi.h, receiver.h, and liquid crystal I2C.h, which would be for the libraries that is used. So we have the line 7 here for the pin selection, and 10 and 11 for the calibration for the ASP32. So it would sensor the dryness and the wet. And we have the 13 and 14 for the internet connection, which would be the SSID and the password, and the 16 17 for the LCD and the web server, 1920 for the current row and percent, so that would be 0. So we have the void update sensor logic. So the current row will read the water pin. So the water pin, the water sensor is being dipped to the water. It will show the analog for it. So we have the map to percentage here in the current percentage for the line 27 and 28. So that would be current raw, sensor dry, sensor wet. So the sensor dry is 0 and the sensor wet is 100. So we have the current percentage for the constraint. So that would be 0 and 100. So we have the void handle root. So that will be updating the sensor logic. And inside of that sensor logic, we have the string status and the string color for the current percentage. So when it goes above to 80, it will show a warning, shows normal and red. So we have the web interface here for the original design for the default, and in the server side for the text, and we have that one with delay. Now we have the void setup here, which would start the serial monitor, which would be 115 200, and we have the set ADC resolution, which would be the analog read resolution, and the set attenuation, which would be ADC 11 dB. And we have the pin mode, water pin input, and we have the LCD init and LCD backlight and LCD print, which would show Wi-Fi connecting in the output. And we have the LCD clear here for for the um, the IP, which would have the print for the Wi-Fi location IP, connected IP, and Wi-Fi local IP. And it also shows the server on, which would have a handle root and the server begin. And the void loop here is pretty simple, just the logic to the LCD every loop, as you can see. And we have the server handle client here to keep the server alive. So when the Wi-Fi module is being connected to the USB port, it will show the server. So I will show you the stuff I have here. We have the breadboard here, the Arduino Uno, jumper wires, and the LCD here, and the water sensor, and just one. So I'm gonna show you the output here for a second. So this is also the Wi-Fi module that I have used So we have the water level monitor here, which shows normal and water level 0, and raw input value is 0. So as you can see here is also 1. So I'm gonna show you the when I put this in the water, it should show high spikes. As you can see, it's over 300 right now, 400. I can go higher than that. And yeah, there we go. As you can see, shows warning, and water level is over that. As you can see, it's working right now. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. Bye.